Good day, everybody. It's January 22nd, 2012, and we've got some severe weather to talk about. I know it's January, but we can have severe weather any month out of the year, and the Storm Prediction Center has placed us in a moderate risk for severe thunderstorms. Remember, they have three levels: the slight, moderate, and high risk for severe thunderstorms. They've got us in a moderate risk for late this afternoon and especially into tonight. Let's look at the tornado probabilities. You can see a hatched area here where they expect some significant tornadoes possible. They could be on the ground for a little while. Damaging tornadoes possible in portions of our region tonight, and they've got an even greater risk as you go into the mid-south, Tennessee, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama. But we all have some risk of tornadoes tonight. Let's take a look at the wind, and you can see our region is in the highest probability of wind, and this hatched area means there could be winds over 70 miles per hour from some of these thunderstorms. So damaging wind is a good bet tonight over some of our counties. Let's take a look at hail probabilities. Some threat for hail, but hail is not expected to be the main concern from this storm system. Tornadoes and damaging wind, that's what's expected to be the main concern. Let's take a look at the Futurecast radar from the WRF off rightweather.com. Here we go through the afternoon, about 2, 3 o'clock, you see a few showers, and then around 4, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, you see a couple of thunderstorms develop over Southern Illinois, West Kentucky, and Tennessee. We'll have to keep an eye on those, but the main line forms out to our west here after 5 o'clock. Watch how this blows up. There we go. This is around 7, 8 o'clock, and you see a squall line forming with some cells ahead of it. Some of these will be severe. There will be some severe thunderstorm and tornado watches issued when these storms develop. They're going to move east-northeast about 50 miles per hour. They'll be racing along. This will be after dark, so a lot of people will not be prepared for severe weather because it's cold outside. It's a weekend. It's a Sunday. Storms are going to be moving fast. Let your family and friends know that we may have severe weather later tonight with some watches and warnings. We move the Futurecast radar along to around 10 o'clock tonight, 11. You see that squall line moving into Illinois, West Kentucky, Tennessee. Maybe well into Kentucky by this hour, about 11, 12 o'clock. So you get the idea there of how it's going to develop and how it's going to move. It will continue to produce damaging weather all the way into central Kentucky and central Tennessee as well. Let's look at another different model. This is the HRR, the HRR model, and put it in motion and watch how the thunderstorms blow up over our region later this evening. There they go. Let's do it again. Watch them right here. This is around 5, 6, 7 o'clock, and then into the 8, 9, 10 o'clock hour tonight. Line of showers and thunderstorms quickly develops. This will happen fast. They will move fast through our region. Let's take a look at, let's see, another model here. This is one of the new ones that just came out this afternoon, early this afternoon. We move along and we see, once again, all these models are in agreement. See how that line of showers and thunderstorms forms? Here's our region here. Here's Kentucky. Here's Tennessee. Here's Missouri. Line of showers and thunderstorms, some supercells embedded in there likely. Let me back up here. We'll do that again. There it goes. And as we move forward through the night, into the night, that line of showers and thunderstorms is going to race across our counties. Severe thunderstorm, tornado watches, severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings will likely be issued for many of our counties later tonight. Remember, a warning means take shelter. Severe weather is expected to happen. A watch means to be prepared that there could be severe weather. A warning means take action, take shelter. We see that squall line fully developed as it moves into Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, down into Mississippi as we move through the night. Damaging weather expected to occur all the way to Louisville and further east. So this is going to continue all night long. Take a look at this is Cape. We look for that energy, back it up here. We see plenty of mid-level Cape there for thunderstorms over our region. Quite a bit of spin in the atmosphere. This is the 850 millibar winds, very strong as they move over our local counties, anywhere from 60, 70, even 80 knots above the surface expected. That's a good sign that we're going to have some severe weather right there. So we report all severe weather to the National Weather Service or local law enforcement. Be ready to take shelter in case we get some watches and warnings. If we get some warnings, be ready to take shelter tonight. Let your family and friends know it's been cold. They don't expect severe weather. Let them know we may have severe weather. And check in with the National Weather Service, Paducah, Kentucky. They have a Facebook page. Most of the weather services do. You can go to weatherobservatory.com to see the radars that I have on there. I'll be on the Facebook page updating it all afternoon and evening.